Hello everybody, today we have a review Omega watch. It's first time in our review when we already had around 300 something, 3 maybe 30 review, and it's first time when we make review for Omega watch. Okay. Check this first. It's a manual book. Another name. Operating instruction. Omega. You see Chinese, Arabic, Italian. Okay, I mean you find easy your language, I guess. And pictograms. I see always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. But usually I see 1, 2, or maybe 3 card. Never see full of card. Maybe some like limited edition, certificate of stone, some warranty certificate. Okay, but I never see full sleeve. I never only Omega use this, foam. Nobody use beside Omega. I don't know why. Maybe they like the style. Tag and watch. It's not really expensive watch. It's expensive, but not so expensive. Okay. Very nice finish for this case and bracelet. So this is Omega Constellation. Is a question because some place I saw information about its watch. It's like ladies' watch. Another place I see information about like men's watch. But in this current world, all mix and girls, guys, and I don't know. Perhaps it's like unisex because it's not really looks like ladies' watch or only size. It's around 36 millimeter, 35 millimeter, but some wrist, men's wrist, not so big, and I guess it's like unisex watch. Retail price for this model $4,400. Best online store price right now I see $2,295. It's mean 48% off. Great discount for Omega. It's not some cheap brand. So it's watch have stainless steel case and stainless steel bracelet with a push button 1 and 2 another side. Swiss automatic movement. We can see skeleton back, and a second, maybe I can take this out for show how pretty look this movement and back side. Nice. Omega. I like this deal, looks like guillotine. So coaxial chronometer. Water resistant 100 meters or 300 30 feet. It's sapphire crystal, sure. Like I said, it's a diameter 35 millimeters without crown and 10 millimeters thickness. Push, pull, crown. We can move arrow. Yeah, Constellation Omega. Very smooth. Outer rim. Like this. Looks like gold. It's, you know, it's heavy. It's not so a regular white light watch. It's heavy watch. It's not crazy heavy, but I feel it. Okay, now I turn off light and maybe we can see something. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, very tiny, but still I see everything. But no bold like some brands, right? Or diver's watch. It's gentle light. Constellation Omega. No room, almost. You see, it's not so a really small watch. It's, for example, it's almost fit for me. I guess I can wear this and looks nice. Omega, oh, $1,000 on my wrist. Okay, I can say it's like unisex watch. One more time and we're done. Very strong bracelet. Backside. Yeah, a rotor move. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website iReviewWatches.com. See you next time and bye bye.